Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add your Afterpay card to your Google Wallet. Now apologize, I cannot show you screen recording because Google Wallet blocks out those. But the process is the same, so you just come here, launch up the app, you can click on add payment card, or you can click on add to wallet here at the bottom right. Let's do this one, okay? And then click on payment card. Now what you need to do here, guys, is click on a new credit or debit card. Click on this. You can choose to enter details manually, or you can scan your card on this page. So let's say click on scan a card. Let's say this was the card. I'm just showing you an example. You just line it up with the frame. Of course, place it on a hard surface. Okay. Something that is darker, and then just line it up. It will pick up the details. Or what you can do is come here, click on enter details manually, enter your card number, okay, your expiration date and CVV code. These are the 3 digits you'll find at the back of your card. Okay, put that in, put in your cardholder name, your country, your region, okay, put that in, your street address. Apartment is optional. You can put in your city, your state, and zip code, and then click on save and continue. And what will happen, guys, with Afterpay, they'll usually send you an SMS verification code. You want to look out for that, and then you want to enter that code in to your Google Pay, and it will be verified and added, okay? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.